Two keys, massive control. N and T are your best friends.
Quick power move, press N to open the sidebar and T to toggle the tool shelf. The N panel has four main tabs: Item, Tool, View, and any add-on panels. Item shows exact location, rotation, scale. Type numbers for precision. Tool shows options for the active tool. For example, when you use Move, it displays snap and orientation settings. The View tab controls camera lock, clip start end, and local view settings. Pro tip: press N, then go to Item, Transform, to check that scale is 1.000 before you add modifiers. The T panel, Tool Shelf, is a quick access visual toolbox. Select Move, Rotate, Scale icons, or use hotkeys G/R/S to stay faster. If you ever lose the gizmo, toggle it from the header or press Shift plus Space to maximize the editor. Finally, you can drag the sidebar or tool shelf to reposition or collapse them. Tidy workspace equals faster work. Next episode, adding and deleting objects. Basics that you'll use every minute.